So kids, plants have many uses. We get most of our food from plants. And what kind of food we get? Let us see. Plant give us food. So we get fruit and vegetables from plants. We get many kind of fruits and vegetables from plants. Let us see. See, these are the pictures of fruits. Which kind of fruits we get from plants? Mangoes, grapes, pears, oranges, guavas, watermelons, strawberries, cherries, lemons, bananas, apples, peaches. These are the examples of fruits. Repeat with me. Mangoes, grapes, pears, oranges, guavas, watermelons, strawberries, cherries, lemons, bananas, apples, peaches. So these kind of many fruits we get from plants. Now vegetables, which kind of vegetables we get from plants? Vegetables like potato, radish, cabbage, carrot, broccoli, onion, lettuce, celery, turnip, cauliflower are the examples of vegetables. Repeat with me. Potato, radish, cabbage, carrot, broccoli, onion, lettuce, celery, turnip, cauliflower are some examples of vegetables we get from plants. So students, next food item we get from plants are nuts. Nuts we get from plants. What kind of nuts we get? Groundnut, walnut, cashew nut, almonds. These are some examples of nuts. These nuts are very useful for us. We get lot of proteins and lot of nutrients from it. Other than this, we eat the different parts of plant as our food, and these are included in the vegetables. So we eat the different parts of plant as vegetables. Let's have a look at them. Stems, for example, potato, sugarcane. These are the stems, and we eat them as our food. Roots, for example, carrot, radish, and turnip. These are the roots. We eat them as our food. Leaves, for example, cabbage, lettuce. These are the examples of leaves that can be eaten as our food. Next is flowers, for example, cauliflower and broccoli. These are the examples of flowers that we eat as our food. And seeds, for example, corn and groundnut are the examples of seeds that can be eaten as our food. So this way plants give us different kinds of food. Other food items are like cereals and pulses. We get many kind of cereals and pulses from plants. But what is cereals? Plants give us food grains. Plants give us food grains. We eat food grains of some grass like plants such as rice, wheat, maize, barley, and oat. These are known as cereals. Whatever the food grains we get from plants, that food grains are nothing but the cereals. And some cereals are ground to make flour or atta. Like wheat, we make a wheat flour, and from this flour we make chapatis. Now pulses. What is pulses? We also eat grains such as mung and kidney bean. Other name is rajma, These food grains are known as pulses. So some kind of food grains are used in our dals that are nothing but the pulses. These are the dried seeds of the plants and which we use as our food, which that are called as pulses. Pulses are found inside the pods. What is the difference between cereals and pulses? Cereals are not found in pods, but pulses are found in the pods. Next things we get from plants are tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar. We get tea, coffee, cocoa. Cocoa is used for making chocolate, your favorite one, isn't it? And sugar from plants. Now see the pictures of it. Cocoa is used in many kind of cakes, desserts and in chocolates, which is the one of the favorite food of all kids. In coffee beans, these coffee beans gives us coffee powder and we use this coffee powder to make coffee. Then tea leaves gives us tea powder. That tea powder is used to make tea. Next, sugarcane. Sugarcane is used to make sugar. That juice of a sugarcane is used to make sugar, and we know sugar is used in all kind of sweets. So these are some more food items: tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar. Next are spices. We get so many spices from the plants. Spices means masale. We get spices such as cardamom, cinnamon and black pepper from plants. A spice is usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark of plants. Spices add flavor to our food. Why we use spices? Because these spices add flavor to our food. It gives us a nice flavor to our food, a nice taste to our food. That's why we use these spices in our food. See the pictures of spices: cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper. Cardamom means elaichi, cinnamon yani dalchini. Now next is oils. Plants give us oil also. We get oil from the seeds or fruits of plants such as mustard, coconut, sunflower and olive. We use oil mainly for cooking and also for oiling our hair. These oils are mainly used in our cooking, and some type of oils are used for our hairs also. See the pictures. Mustard, from these seeds we get mustard oil. From coconut we get coconut oil. From sunflower seeds we get sunflower oil. From the olives we get olive oil. These are some examples of oil. Next we get medicines also. Medicines yani dawai. Plants give us medicine. We get medicines from many plants. Plants such as neem, tulsi, clove and turmeric are used to make medicines. See the examples and pictures are given here. Neem leaves, tulsi leaves, cloves, turmeric. You also have used these in our home remedies, isn't it? We use these kind of plants in our day-to-day life, and many kind of medicines are made from this plant. Next is plants give us fibers also. We get fibers such as cotton and jute from plants. Fibers are used to make cloth. See what kind of fibers we get from plants? Cotton and jute. See the pictures. This white kind of cotton is used to make cotton dresses, and jute fiber we get from jute plants. These jute fibers are used to make different kinds of mats, ropes, and different decorative items. See here. Next are plants give us paper, rubber, and gum. Next uses are these plants give us paper. We get paper from plants like bamboo. Paper is used to make books, bags, etc. This paper we get from bamboo plants, and paper is very much usable for us in our whole education, in many offices, everywhere we require this paper. We get rubber from the juice of rubber tree. We get rubber also. How can we get this rubber? We get this rubber from the juice of rubber tree. This rubber tree gives us juice, and that juice is used to make rubber. Rubber is used to make erasers, tires, and pipes. We make so many things from this rubber. In our daily study, we use erasers. That eraser is also made from rubber. We require tires to all vehicles. The tires are also made from rubber. Then we use pipes. That pipes are made from rubber. We get gum from kicker tree. Gum is used to make glue. So this kicker tree gives us gum, and that gum is used to make glue. Next uses of plants are plants give us wood. Wood यानी लकड़ी. We get wood from trees such as teak, shisham, and pine. Wood is used to make houses, furniture, boats, cars, etc. You can see in the picture these kind of things are made from the wood, and this wood we get from our plants. Next uses of plants are plants give us soaps, toothpaste, and perfumes. We use juices and oils of certain plants to make soaps. See what is used in making soaps? Certain kinds of juices and oils are used in soaps to give a beautiful fragrance and make it good for our skin. Even toothpaste, in some kind of Ayurvedic toothpaste, these plants extracts are used. Then flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfume. Some flowers have a beautiful scent, so this beautiful smell and scent of a flower is used in making perfumes. So next topic is other uses of plants. Now what kind of other uses of plants are? Trees provide shelter to birds as they make nest on branches of tree, and animals like monkeys and squirrel also live on trees. Trees gives us shade also. Plants and trees give us oxygen to breathe and keeps the air fresh and clean. So these are the other uses of plants.